And welcome back to another BobBlast. Hi, I'm Bob Burridge, and this one is a brand new product. Oh boy, another paint product to play with. It's new. It's an acrylic paint. It's just like those fluid acrylics we all love and adore, but this one is different. It's an ink, and it's permanent. So I treat it like a watercolor and a couple other things I want to show you. It's an acrylic ink that's unbelievable. I did some sketches here this morning. It goes over a collage work because it also is transparent or opaque. And I treat it like a watercolor techniques or experimental techniques. And I can do ordinary subjects and some avant-garde subjects. Let's get started. So it's playtime. Let's see what these paints can do. Alrighty? So I started them already. I poured some out. I have a pink, we have a yellow, we have a blue, some white, big brush. And again, I can treat this just like, almost like a dye. But they're not dyes. These are permanent inks. Love this. Look at this. They can be transparent, and as you can see, it can also be opaque. Wow, I like that. I like this. And I can scrape and scratch in it just like my other stuff that I do. So that's kind of fun stuff to do. I like the fact, ooh, I like that. It dripped out here out of the can. I like that. That's just what the painting needed. Let's go black and white. Black and white, I have my values down, dark against light, dark against light. I have two figures here. Let's use some transparent colors. I can use a brush or I can use a paper towel. Start off with a brush. Yeah, cool. It's still transparent. Now I'm going to use a paper towel. A little bit of this hot pink, this opera. Oh, it mixes beautifully with that, doesn't it? Let me add some more. I love what this color can do. Here's some, oh man, some blue. See, I can use it with a paper towel, brushes. Works fabulous. Nice and watery. Nice. I just can't stop playing with this stuff. You know why? Because it's permanent, unlike a watercolor. All right? And I can still use my watercolor techniques. And certainly my painting techniques of acrylic painting. But I do like the way how it flows. Very, very thin. It flows beautifully and it's very intense, as you can see. I can always water it down. I sure like where this is all going. Well, a new product is always fun to play with, you know, and experiment, and you kind of get outside of your box a little bit because you've never played with this stuff before. I love this stuff. It's really great to take on a vacation or away from your studio. It's small, it's convenient. Now, let me show you this other product that goes along with this. But wait, there's more. Let me show you. I told you there's more. These are neat. They're refillable cartridges. Empty markers, you fill them up with the inks. They come in four different felt tips. I guess that's what they are. And so really thin, narrow, all the way up to almost like 2 inches wide. What I like about these is, first of all, you shake it. I like them for painting vertically, so it's not dripping off your brush. Because it's such a fluid ink, it would be dripping down. At this time, I don't want it to go dripping down. So they're permanent, refillable cartridges. They work like this. Let's see what are we doing here. All right. Oh. Here's a 1-inch one. Let's see what we do here. These are inks. See, they're not dripping down. Whoa. Here I'm using a paper towel. Oh boy, oh boy. The skinny one. It's about 1/2 of an inch, but you can do some beautiful line work with these. Inks. The flow is beautiful. Just wanted to show you the versatility of these inks. You could do them vertically or flat on the table. And when you do it outdoors, plein air painting, I can use these and it still won't drip down. And it's its own liquid. I don't need any more water or any brushes to clean. That's pretty cool. I hope you have a chance to try some of these Holbein Acrylic Inks. I know that sounds like a commercial. I don't know how else to show it to you, but this is what I've been using lately in my studio. All the techniques of watercolors, all the different techniques in acrylic painting combined into one. Pretty cool, huh? Well, I hope you enjoyed this little infomercial almost, right? But if this was a BobBlast, I just love to do it because I love to paint for you and I love your comments. Thank you so much for sharing these. Got a lot of comments and I know they're helping a lot of people. So if it works for you, fantastic. This is how I paint. I'm only one way. I'm not the way. Hey, I'll see you on the next BobBlast. Thanks for watching. Hi there, you caught me doing my favorite thing. By myself in the studio, I'm doing abstract acrylic painting and collage. Right now I'm painting. By the way, this is the kind of stuff I'm going to be doing a lot of this year. The abstract acrylic painting and collage workshops all over the place. We do the crazy stuff with tissue paper from candy boxes, big sheets of black paper, craft paper. We make our own stencils with stencil spray cans, lots of alcohol, water, acrylic sprays, wonderful. Gel medium, that's our glue for everything, gel medium. And we start off small, these little ones in the morning. These are warm-up practice pieces. And you can see I'm working on some of them all at the same time. It's one of the things that's so much fun in this class. So again, I even had to write it down because it's a mouthful for me. Abstract, acrylic, painting, and collage. Hey, I'll see you there. Excuse me while I go collage. Oh, gold. More gold. Whew. do it, do it.
So Bob, where can they find out about these workshops?
Go to my website. It's all there.
robertburridge.com